Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 7th. 7th chapter, Joint Bar Graph. Now, first of all, we will see what are the different types of graph. Now, there are the different kinds of graph, student. As you can see in the screen, it is given bar graph, line graph, pie chart, pictograph. So, these all are the different kinds of graph. Clear? See, some more examples of the graph are given here. Some more kinds of the graph are given here. That is pie chart, line graph, pictogram, telechart, frequency table. These all are the kinds of your graph, students. Clear? In this chapter, we have to study about the joint bar graph. In the previous class, you have studied about the bar graph. Now, in this class, we have to study what is joint bar graph. Now let's see what is joint bar graph. Now students, a joint bar graph is a set of bar graphs showing different sets of information but joined to each other. Clear, students? The joint bar graph means it is showing the different sets of information but it is joined together. Clear? Now further we will see how to draw a joint bar graph. Now, while drawing a joint bar graph, the width of all columns should be equal. Clear? And the distance between any two consecutive sets of joint bar graph should be equal. Clear? Whenever you are drawing the joint bar graph, the distance between each and every bar should be equal. Clear, students? Now, where you can use your joint bar graph means where you can use your this one graphs. A joint bar graph is used for a comparative study and it is also useful for drawing the conclusions from the observation recorded in a science experiment as well as in geography and economics. Clear, students? Now let's see practice set 31. First question, the maximum and the minimum temperature of the 5 Indian cities are given in degrees Celsius. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. Now students, here we have to draw the joint bar graph. Clear? Here the city is given and their temperature is given, that is maximum temperature and minimum temperature. So with the help of this we have to draw a joint bar graph. Here you have to draw the joint bar graph. So what you will do is, first of all we will draw our y-axis and x-axis. Clear? So see how you will do. So first I will draw my x-axis and y-axis. So this is my y-axis, this is my x-axis, and here I will give the name, that is O. Clear? Now this O is my origin. So now what you have to do is, now you have to first of all write down the scale over here. Clear? On the right hand side of your graph paper you will write down scale. Clear? So on scale what you will take, so what scale you will take? You will take, that is on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 degree Celsius. Clear? And further what you have to write down, now here we are drawing the joint bar graph. So here the blank bar we will take for the maximum temperature and the color bar, this color bar we will take for the minimum temperature. Clear? So this scale you have to write down on the right hand side of your graph paper. Clear, students? Now we will mark temperature on y-axis, that is on y-axis 1 centimeter we have to take, that is 5 degrees Celsius. So here we will mark our temperature. So what we have taken? We have taken, that is on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. So here we will mark 5. We will take the distance of 5 this is 5 degrees Celsius, then 15, then 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Clear, students? See this here, this one box is of 1 centimeter. Clear? So you have to take the distance of 1 centimeter between each number. Now on x-axis, what we will mark? We will mark our city. This is your temperature. Clear? Here you have to write down the temperature. Now what you have to do? You have to mark this city on your this one x-axis. Clear? So here I will mark, that is Delhi. Then I will leave one box. I will mark Mumbai. Then again I will leave one box and I will mark Kolkata. Then Nagpur. And then Kapurthala. Clear? So you have to take the distance in each and every bar. You have to take the distance of 1 centimeter. Clear, students? Now here the Delhi temperature is given, that is of maximum temperature is 35 and minimum temperature is 26. So 35 we have to mark first. Here it will come 35. Clear? So this one is your maximum temperature, and what is the minimum temperature? That is 25. So here it is 26. So here it is 25. One more line you have to take, so it will become your 26. Clear? Now we have to shade the minimum temperature. Clear? So from this you can easily identify which bar is for the what. Now if you see, this blank bar is for maximum temperature and this colored bar is for minimum temperature. Clear, students? So like this you have to draw the remaining bars. So see, like this you have to draw the remaining bars of your question number 1. Clear, students? Thank you.